Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Vibes. If your streaming device is missing regional content or apps are blocked, this video will save you. I will show you real solutions used by thousands of users across tech forums and Reddit. This video is AI made, but every solution is authentic and workable. Watch carefully to solve your streaming problems by yourself. Now, a quick truth. Most people think streaming devices are region locked forever. That is completely wrong. With the right settings and tricks, you can unlock almost all American apps smoothly. Just follow along. Devices like Roku, Fire Stick, and Apple TV are extremely powerful, but often set up incorrectly. That is why apps like Hulu, Peacock, and Tubi do not appear. That's exactly what we are going to fix today. Let's dive into the first step of the setup. First, let us talk about the most important thing, region detection. Streaming devices detect your region using three things: your account country, your IP address, and your device system location. If even one of these is wrong, regional apps will disappear. Let us start with account country, because this is the #1 mistake. For Roku, your Roku account country must be United States. Changing location from device settings will not work. You must log in to your Roku account using a browser. Go to Roku.com, then go to Account, then go to Payment Method. The country is locked during account creation. If your account is not United States, create a new Roku account using a United States address. You can use any valid United States zip code like 90001. No payment is required for free apps. For Amazon Fire Stick, the Amazon account region matters. Go to Amazon.com, then go to Account, then go to Content and Devices, then go to Preferences, then go to Country and Region Settings. Set it to United States. Restart your Fire Stick after changing this. For Apple TV, the Apple ID region controls everything. Go to Settings, then go to Users and Accounts, then go to your Apple ID, then go to Media and Purchases, then go to View Account, then go to Country or Region, set it to United States. If Apple asks for address, use a valid United States address format. Now let us talk about IP address and Wi-Fi settings. This is where most buffering and app errors come from. Streaming devices work best on stable Wi-Fi networks. Always use 5 GHz Wi-Fi if available. If your router supports both, go to Router Settings and separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Connect your streaming device to 5 GHz for smoother streaming. If apps are not loading or region is incorrect, restart your router. Then unplug your streaming device for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple trick fixes many region sync issues. Now let us talk about DNS settings, which is a powerful trick many people do not know. DNS controls how your device connects to content servers. Wrong DNS causes app loading issues. Go to Settings, then go to Network, then go to Advanced Settings, then go to DNS Settings. Set DNS manually. Use Google DNS, which is 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Restart the device after setting DNS. This DNS trick improves speed and app discovery for many American apps. Now let us talk about App Store refresh tricks. On Roku, apps sometimes do not appear even if region is correct. Use the Roku secret refresh code. On your remote, press Home 5 times. Then press Up 1 time. Then press Rewind 2 times. Then press Fast Forward 2 times. Wait for the device to reboot. This refreshes channels and fixes missing apps. On Fire Stick, go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to App Store, then go to Clear Cache, then restart the device. On Android TV, go to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store. Select Clear Cache, and then perform a full restart of your device. Now let us talk about specific American regional apps and real solutions. For Hulu, free trials and live TV require correct region and strong connection. Always update the Hulu app. If Hulu keeps logging out, clear app data and log in again. If an error code appears, restart your device and router together. For Peacock TV, it works best on United States accounts only. If the app is missing, search it manually. Do not rely on homepage suggestions. For Sling TV, clock and time settings matter. Go to Settings, then System. Then go to Time and set automatic time to on. Wrong time causes Sling errors. For Pluto TV and Tubi, these are free apps that depend on stability. They depend heavily on DNS and Wi-Fi stability. Check your connection settings. If channels do not load, switch your Wi-Fi band or restart your router. Happy streaming! Now let us talk about performance optimization tricks used by technicians. Always keep at least 1 GB free storage on your streaming device. Delete unused apps regularly. Low storage causes lag and app crashes. Disable unnecessary background apps on Android TV. Go to Settings, then go to Apps. Then go to Running Apps. Force stop unused apps. Use HDMI extension cable for Fire Stick. This reduces overheating and improves Wi-Fi signal. Overheating causes sudden restarts and buffering. Update device firmware regularly. Go to Settings. Then go to System. Then go to Updates. Check for updates manually once a month. Now let us talk about audio and video quality tuning. Set display resolution manually if auto mode causes flicker. Go to Settings, then go to Display. Set resolution to 1080p or 4K based on your TV. Disable motion smoothing on TV settings. This improves streaming clarity for movies and sports. Set audio to stereo if sound is distorted. Dolby settings sometimes cause compatibility issues. Now let us talk about one powerful but safe trick. Create a separate user profile for streaming only. This keeps settings clean and avoids conflicts. Finally, let me share one golden rule. Never factory reset unless absolutely necessary. Most problems are solved by account sync, DNS, Wi-Fi, and app refresh. If you follow everything shown in this video, your streaming device will work like new. You will unlock American regional apps smoothly and legally. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Share it with friends who are struggling with streaming issues. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more practical tech solutions. Drop your questions in the comments and I will respond within 1 hour. Thank you for watching.